I didn't believe in smart home horror. You know, the kind of stories where Alexa laughs randomly or cameras glitch at 3 a.m. It always sounded fake. Clickbait until last Thursday. I live alone in a small townhouse just outside Seattle. Quiet neighborhood. Nothing dramatic ever happens here. That's exactly why I like it. My place is fully automated. Lights, locks, thermostat, even a couple of indoor cameras, mostly for security and convenience. And yeah, maybe a little peace of mind. That night, I went to bed around midnight. Normal routine, lock, lock the doors, check the app, everything green, no alerts, no motion detected. Nothing. At exactly 3:27 a.m., my phone buzzed. I woke up instantly. Security notification. Motion detected living room camera. I squinted at the screen, still half asleep. Probably a bug, I thought. Or maybe a light flicker. I opened the app. The camera feed was live, Deputy living room, Kutch. Table. TV, nothing unusual. I exhaled, about to close it when the playback icon blinked. There was a recorded clip point 13 seconds. I don't know why, but something about that number made me hesitate. Still, I tapped it. The footage started. At first, nothing, just the same empty room. Timestamp 3:27 4 a.m. Then the front door handle moved slowly, not like someone opening it, like someone testing it. Back and forth, but I knew I had locked that door. The handle stopped, a pause, then it opened not fully. Just enough to create a thin black gap, no sound, no forced entry, just opening. I felt my throat tighten. The camera angle didn't show the doorway clearly, just a slice of darkness, and then something stepped in. I wish I could say it was a person, that would have been easier, but it wasn't. It moved wrong, too smooth, too quiet, like a shadow that had weight. It didn't walk, it slid into the living room, stopping right in the center, facing the camera. I leaned closer to my phone, heart pounding. Enhance, I whispered to myself, like that would do anything. The figure didn't have features, not clearly, but it felt like it was looking directly at me, not at the camera, at me. Through the screen, the timestamp ticked forward 3:27 dollars 11. The thing tilted its head and then the screen glitched. Just for a split second, a flicker. When the image came back, it was closer, not by much, but enough. Enough that I could see something like a face or something pretending to be one. My hand started shaking. Okay, nope, I muttered. I was about to exit the clip when the audio kicked in, low, distorted, barely there, but clear enough a whisper. Coming from the video, not my room, the video upstairs. I froze, every muscle in my body locked because AB was upstairs. In my bedroom, watching this alone, The clip ended 3:27:17 a.m. silence. I sat there for what felt like forever. Then I slowly turned my head toward my bedroom door, closed, locked it just how I left it. I grabbed my phone tighter and opened the live feed again. Living room, empty, no movement, no figure, nothing. I checked the front door camera, closed, locked it. No sign of entry. I told myself it had to be a glitch, a corrupted file, some weird software bug. It had to be. I stayed awake until morning, didn't open my bedroom door, didn't move, just waited for daylight. When the sun finally came up, I went downstairs. Every step felt heavier. The living room looked normal. Too normal, like nothing had ever happened. I checked the front door, locked it, deadbolt still in place, no scratches, no damage. Nothing. I almost laughed. Yeah, I said out loud. Definitely a glitch. I opened the app again, went back to the recorded clip. I needed to prove it, needed to see it again, but the clip was gone, deleted, no record, no history, nothing, just a blank timeline. I stood there staring at the screen, and then my phone buzzed again. New notification, motion detected. Bedroom camera. I don't have a bedroom camera. I never installed one. I never wanted one. My hands went cold. Slowly, I opened the app, and there it was, a new camera feed labeled bedroom. I tapped it, the screen loaded, and I saw my room from the corner. Facing my bed, exactly where I had been sitting just minutes ago, empty, no, except for one thing, on the bed, my phone, and on its screen, the same app, open watching me from downstairs.